friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in another collaboration hosted by my friend Zane with@HomeWithZane R. I'll link Zane's channel down below. In this collaboration, Zane has asked us to create a vignette using a tray. So I'm going to attempt to do that with the items that you see here, plus or minus a few. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you're brand new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more content. Be sure to leave a thumbs up to let YouTube know that this type of content is wanted and needed here on YouTube. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy.